Hi there, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on law awareness. In this video, I am going to talk about what is a legal possession and when you should actually accept the offer of possession given by a promoter. To talk about this scenario or to talk about this, we will have to go through section 17 of the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act along with section 19 subsection 10 of the same and section 4 subsection 5 of the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act. If we just try to take the gist of all these three sections, it means that a possession can be offered or given to an allottee only after occupancy certificate has been received, and along with that the conveyance deed has been registered in favor of the allottee. Overall, a person cannot enter into an apartment until and unless he has the conveyance deed executed in his favor. What is a conveyance deed? It is a sublease deed where the land has been procured by the builder on the basis of lease, either from the development authority or from some other authority or person. It would be a sale deed if the project has been developed on a freehold land. If in case you have got an offer of possession from the builder and the builder is seeking the settlement of the remaining amount, and along with that it is also threatening you with respect to holding charges and maintenance charges, and also threatening you to impose interest from the date of issuance of the offer of possession. Now you are aware that occupancy certificate has not been received, or it is your responsibility to inquire that whether occupancy certificate has been received by the promoter or not. So the first person whom you will approach is the promoter itself. Write an email to them or write a letter to them that I have received the offer of possession, kindly send the completion occupation certificate and also give an undertaking in writing that by what date you will register the apartment in my name and when I can move. Under section 17, it is required that the promoter will have to execute the conveyance deed within 3 months from the date of the issuance of the occupancy certificate. So if the occupancy certificate has been issued and the promoter has given you offer of possession, then they have to execute the conveyance deed within 3 months, and if the promoter is unable to give such undertaking in writing or such assurance in writing that yes, they are ready to execute the conveyance deed within 3 months, then you have a right to exit from the promoter, because that will amount to violation of or contravention of section 18, that is the terms and conditions of the sale agreement. That will amount only if the offer of possession has been issued post the promised date of delivery. So as soon as you get the offer of possession, demand the occupancy completion certificate and undertaking under section 17 that they will register. Don't take a possession of an apartment which is not registered in your name or which does not have an occupancy or completion certificate, because that building will neither be insured nor your private property which is inside the flat will be insured. You might get an insurance, but when you will claim it, they will say that you did not reveal this information to them. You have a fiduciary relationship, a relationship of trust with the insurance company. And if you are living in a building which does not have completion certificate, then they will repudiate, they will not accept the insurance claim given by you. That may be true even with respect to life insurance. I am talking about property insurance, the general insurance with respect to your house or with respect to the movable property that you may have inside your flat. So that's all that I wanted to convey by means of this video. Hope the information given in this video would be beneficial for you. So with a hope that you will like the video and subscribe to the channel, I say thank you to you, and I will come back with another video on any topic that I will find relevant from the comment section. Thank you so much.